It's a great experience being able to help patients. We were able to help patients in a way that they can be given medical care. Even if you're not seeing them personally, you can give assurance and give comfort over the phone.
I do remember a customer, she had some issue with product delivery delivered to her. So she just called the customer support team where I handled her call, and I just supported her. And she was very patiently listening to me, and she could understand the situation in what we are in, and she was very satisfied with my service to her.